Hey there guys, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how I made this no-bake Oreo cheesecake for a family function coming up this weekend. So if you're interested, please make sure you watch to the end. Alright, so for step one, I'm going to be making the crust. So for the crust, we need the Oreo crumbs and we need butter. Alright, so once we've got our crumbs all mixed with the butter, we are now going to put it into the pan. You gotta get your hands involved, so we're gonna spread it out evenly. Then we're gonna push it down. And now I'm going to put the Oreo crumbs into the freezer so that, like, normally I put them in the fridge, but I don't have room in my fridge, so I'm going to put them in the freezer so that the bottom will harden. Now we are going to make our cheesecake base. So what we need for this, again, for the 8-inch pan, is we need 2 cream cheese bricks that I just threw into the sink. We need, for the cream cheese base, we only need half of the large tub of Cool Whip. We, of course, need Oreos. We need vanilla extract. And we need sugar. Alright, so to start with, I'm going to open my cream cheese because I've been out of town all day and I forgot to take them out of the fridge before I left. So I now have to heat them up a little bit so that they will do their job. So I'm opening those up over here. Now that I have my 2 blocks of cream cheese, I'm going to go quickly toss them in the microwave so that I can actually make them stirrable. So what I just did was I just broke it up a little bit, so when I put it in the microwave, it will heat up faster. So, once you have your cream cheese all melted, you're going to break into your Cool Whip. As you can see, that's only been in the freezer for like 10 minutes and it's solid. So. As you can see, so far we've got the 2 layers and the cookies on top. Alright, now we're going to take the second half of our whipped cream. So now we've got our little plain old Jane whipped topping, and we're just going to add a little tiny sprinkle of breadcrumbs or Oreo crumbs. And there we have it. There is my Oreo cheesecake. And as you can see, pretty simple. Didn't take that long. Would have taken less time if I would have done some prep before I did this video, such as, you know, taking the cream cheese out of the fridge before I started. Anyway, so that's how I make my no-bake Oreo cheesecake. Unfortunately, I can't take a piece out for you guys to see it because it's for a family function tomorrow. So I'm going to go put it in the fridge, possibly the freezer. I haven't really decided, but I'm going to put it somewhere where it's safe. And that way it'll be ready for me to go tomorrow. So I'm going to put some clear plastic over top of it and put it away for the night. It is currently 2:25 if you didn't see that, which means I started at 1:40 and had to microwave my cream cheese. So it took me a lot less than an hour. That's a good thing. So yeah, it has quite a few ingredients, but it's actually really simple to make. And like I said, it's the perfect no-bake cream cheese base cake there is. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!